So one of my subscriber named Gaurav asked, can you please provide some of the cool learning opportunities where you can build some cool projects and get some cool certificates and just boost our resume? So here is a perfect challenge for all of you. Here in this video, we'll talk about the new challenge, which is Code Vipassana. Also, one more important thing, most of you guys were asking how to become a facilitator. For that also, I've shared the video. You can just check it out. Now, without any delay, let's come to the topic, but make sure you subscribe the channel. Now, let's come over here. So what is Code Vipassana? It is a series of event. Okay, it is a series of event where you learn about building data to AI application. If you are interested in AI, you'll be getting instructor-led hands-on sessions. Means if you are completely new, you know nothing about it, there'll be some instructors who are working on Google. Also, a cool instructor will be guiding you throughout the journey. So what are the sessions? Let's see. And first of all, it's completely free of cost. Now the sessions has not been started and it will be starting on 21st of January. Okay, and we'll be having multiple sessions till 28th of January. So what is this sessions about? First we'll learn about setup and building easy Postgres compatible AI app on Google Cloud. Most of you wanted to build something on Google Cloud. You are playing Arcade a lot of times, but you are not getting how to build some cool projects on Google Cloud. Also, you'll be getting some cool hands-on credits, means free credits to work on Google Cloud. It's different from the Cloud Skills Boost Qwiklabs credits. It's just direct hands-on where you can build your own personal project. Now, after that, you'll be getting a chance to build a real-time surplus engine with the Gemini 3 Flash and Alloy DB. After that, we'll be doing the vector embedding, generating embeddings, and more things over here, generating embeddings at scale with AlloyDB. After that, private vault, build zero trust intelligence for security purposes. Also, there will be some self-paced sessions where they'll be guiding you and some FAQs. So here you can see multiple challenges are there. You'll be getting some leaderboards over here. You can see previous year leaderboards, the top people who completed the challenge, and you can see all the things over here. So make sure to participate. How to participate? Let me just show you. First of all, let's have some cool event details. Okay. Now here, the best thing about is that you have to just work with the projects. Okay. You'll be giving, they will be giving you some assignments you have to complete it, and then after that you have to submit the projects. After that, you'll be getting a Google certificate. Yes, it's a official event, and the certificate generated from this event will be valid, and you can post it and share it on your socials and add it to your resume. Now coming to the registration process, first of all, you have to click on join over here, then simply sign in with Google over here. If you already have a Gmail account, simply just mention your Gmail account, write this. After you selected the email, just select next over here, and after that you have to mention all the registration detail. You can mention whether you are a learner, working professional, you can mention all the things. After that, simply click on register and let's see what happens next. So just wait for it. You can see we are registered and the confirmation email has been received in our email. All the updates will be shared to you via the email only. So make sure to check it out. I would recommend, even though you are not knowing anything, just take part in it. There will be instructors who will be guiding you, okay, throughout the journey. You won't be able to face any issue. If you can face, you can just contact them. You can see over here, there is a contact us option also over here. So you can connect with them and just ask your queries. And if you still have any doubts, you can comment down below. Coming to the swags are for the top participants. That too, mostly they'll giving you certificates and free cloud credits, but the swags are limited. As of now, there is no information regarding swags. If they update, I'll make a video for that also. Now, thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel. And if you want to participate in Google Cloud Arcade program, for that also I have linked the video. Make sure to check it out.